horizontally.
Okay. Good.
Hi, this is Professor T.H. Culhane from the Patel College of Global Sustainability at USF Tampa. And Sean Kirkpatrick is behind the camera, a student who is working in our Food, Energy, Water Nexus course this summer, and will be doing an internship at Fat Beet Farms in the fall. And we're looking at different dimensions of biogas and how the biodigester relates to food production. One of the things that we know from our previous work with small-scale biodigester systems is they need to be kept as close to body temperature as possible, because the microbes in them came from the stomachs or cows or intestines of other ruminants and mammals. So they're mammalian, but they're put into a situation where they can't generate heat, they being the archaea methanogens, and so they become like reptiles. We call them our domestic dragons. And like reptiles, for them to work efficiently, they need to sit in the sun or somehow get a source of heat because they can't produce their own. They're cold-blooded. So having a Puxin biogas water heater is one solution. And what we've done with this biodigester that is buried underneath our RV and takes all of our toilet waste and shower waste and dishwasher and washing machine waste, all the gray water and the black water and some food waste, and excuse the mess, we tore it apart to install these PEX coils. We'll put it back together with insulation on the top. But basically we've got this red pipe. This is called PEX. This is half-inch PEX. You find it in hardware stores. And we've got a coil of 100 foot that is circulating through the tank. And then using bulkhead fittings, we have connected it to elbows on the top. And then the PEX is connected to the CPVC high temperature pipes, which are going into the water heater. And the way that you set this up, our investigations have showed us the most efficiently is put your 12 volt, 1 gallon per minute pump, that's sufficient, small circulation pump, put it just at the ingress where the cold water goes in. This, by the way, is for when we want to add water with a hose, and this is a shower head if we wanted to use it to take a hot shower. I'm keeping these closed off, but I have used it before. That's all this is. This is the standard way you'd use it. You'd put cold water in this side and hot water comes out to the shower. In our case, I've got these closed off, so I've got the water coming from the PEX coils going up and in, and then coming down and going back through that circulation loop. And so you put the pump right before there and put your air bleed and your extra water for priming the pump. You put your prime just before the pump. That is what works best. And then you turn on the pump, and as the air comes out of the system, pour water in to make sure it's primed. And it would start raining right now, wouldn't it? Now sometimes it doesn't take when there's air in the system. So with these, they have two D-cell batteries underneath that work with the piezo, and sometimes I find I have to turn the gas to about halfway, and there I think it just lit. Let's see, I thought I heard it. No, it lit and then it didn't light. You know what, we should probably discontinue this and start this later.